Hi everybody! um, Hand sanitizer. There's no more in shopping centers, any convenience store, anywhere. There's no more hand sanitizer. Most commonly called Purelle. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't, but this is very useful on those kind of days where everybody's rushing at the grocery store, getting all sorts of things and getting hand sanitizer. Problem is mine that was in the car is almost empty. So I was looking at the ingredients, and medicinal ingredient is the alcohol, which is 70%. So what I thought about is just go to the shop, getting some alcohol right there, which is awesome because it's 91%, and some non-medicinal ingredient. The most common one is the aloes. Aloes for the sunburn. When you go too much to the beach and you get burnt, you use aloes. Now, how do we mix those to make it work? So if you're looking at these ingredients, you couldn't say really much how much it is, but as for chemistry, you could know that this is much more liquid than this one, and this is the most active ingredient you need. Let's put 30% of this one and 70% of this one and see what goes. So 30% of alcohol and 70% of aloes. Let's try that. So I've got this little bottle that I use for my, eye contact. So this is very useful. It's empty now. So what I'm gonna do is take this to measure 10 millimeters. Now 10 millimeters is going in the bottle. Let's put it in the bottle. So it makes that much alcohol. Now if we want to use it, let's say 70% would mean about this mark right there. But what we could do also is just measure it very well with this. Take it there and okay. So we need 30%, 70% of this stuff. So that's 30%. Oops. And then another 30%. And a 10%. To make 70. This is about it. If you don't like the consistency, you can add more one of each. Any one you want. So this is about what I have. Alright, so then we will try this little stuff. That's what it makes, right? Put on it and smell the alcohol. Yeah, it smells alcohol. If you don't like too much alcohol, you can put more aloes, but it's the alcohol that kills those germs and viruses. All right, so 91%. It was 70 in this one, and this aloes, this is really good for sunburn, but also to kill germs and to put into hand sanitizers. All right, keep it safe. Ciao.